What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm back. I don't know if that's a happy yay or a this one's back, but either way, here we are. Let's do this thing. I'm quite excited. I'm excited for New York. I'm gonna be, I don't want to say brave. Brave is the wrong word, but I'm gonna be bold. I'm gonna make my decision and I'm gonna stick with it. Like this trade here would have been a banger. Pity. Oh well. I didn't take it. So now we move on to the next. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I do see that we did actually end up consolidating a little bit afterwards. No more Maya effect. I see we had a little drop and now we've been kind of stuck in this range. That makes me feel low-key a little bit better because normally after I hop off road to 50k. What's up, Beta? How you doing? How you going? How's it going? How you going? How's it going? How's the trading?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope you're doing amazing. Let's mark out London's hoys and loos. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, so do indeed have, yeah, we just gotta mark out London high and London low. Don't know why I'm lying. There's both London high and London low. Shoot, and London low right here. Nope, wrong thing. Sorry. Okay. Ooh, we have a decent amount of sell-side liquidity now. I would be keen on seeing us go down. Okay. You know, it doesn't really care about what I'm keen on, but I would be quite keen to see us now have a little bit of a reversal. Clearly, we hit a little bit of a proper resistance level up above. So let's see what we get. Go ahead, what's up? And Solly. Hi, how are you? Good luck with this week. You're still holding? I am. I don't know how. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. I do not know how for the life of me. But I'm still hanging in there. I'm like one of those posters with the kitten hanging on for dear life, going hang in there. That is basically the definition of my funded account right now. And you know what? Never give up, right? I think that should just be my... Or is it just that I'm stubborn? I'm not sure. But either way, here we are. And we're doing this thing. Hey, Trader Neptune. What's up? How you doing? 918. Okay. Well, between I was quite keen. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. I was really keen on shorts for New York session. You know, it doesn't always mean it's gonna do what I would like it to see it do. But I'm quite keen on shorts at least. I mean, VWAP and Midnight right here. Oh, do you know what would be really, really cool? This little shorty short right off the bat. Down to midnight. Might be pushing it. Let's see if this would have worked. Ooh, that's a good engulfing. Okay. I'm not gonna take it because I don't trade pre-market, but still. There's a lack of sell-side liquidity. I know. I'm really, really keen on sells, but don't let bias mess with things, right? Trade what you see. I just personally think that New York is going to be a bit more of a dip down. But don't let your bias ruin what's in front of you. Not a pre-market princess? No! Good grief, pre-market princess. I low-key love that, but I'm not a pre-market princess. Sally, how you been? Have you been able to get any trades or not really? Life just been hectic. Yep. Look at this on the 5-minute. That sucks. 15-minute. Let's do a little jumpy jump between. Oh yeah, it was a nice little rejection off of that order block, yeah. Oh, look at it go. Woo, look at it go. Okay. Sorry. Just having a think. Having a long think. Back down to new weekly opening gap here. Like I said, this would be quite decent to see it happen. We still have this imbalance and Asia low. That being said, we do still have some buy side liquidity. Only thing is we have midnight open. We have midnight open, London low, and VWAP basically in the same area. Okay. Obviously didn't take this. Nobody yelled at me. I see it contesting London lows max. Today's a very tight range day. Life be hectic for real. I hear that, Andrew. I still got me in a headlock. Just dropping by for the music. Aww. Well, Sully, if the music can help you feel a little bit better, then glad to help. Good morning, OT2. And check it with. Oh, okay.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, everyone? Hey, Spirit Time. What's up? How's it going? Have you started streaming yet? You have. Let me actually give you a little follow. There we go. Streamed 10 days ago. Nice. Oh, I already subscribed to you. I lied. I have already subscribed. I think you got the right idea with the short. Let's see, Andrew. There would have. Oh, that's rude. There literally would have been the entry. Gotta go back, man. Let's see this. So I'm literally messing around pre-market right now. We still have a few minutes before New York Open, so I'm literally messing around for funsies. I haven't taken a trade. Please don't think I'm in a trade. I know I'm dumb, but I'm not dumb enough to mess around in a trade. Aw. Django, you're so sweet. Did I say that right? Django Smith. Hey there, Horsebox. What? Did I just read that correctly? Hey there, Horsebox. Cool. What? All of us are just here going, what? Did I just read? Yeah, it sounds like Django the DSM. Ah, cool. Okay, sorry. My bad. Very cool. Whatever it means, that got me good. You know what? When you're right, you're right. People are just here for one reason only.
Emotional damage.
Oh, fluff. Bearish, go have fun. I'm keen on bear. But, you know, doesn't mean anything. I would be quite keen on bears just because what I've observed is Asia recently has been having like a solid push. London is either continuation or accumulation, and then New York tends to be the reversal. Not always, it's just what I've been observing, so let's see if I'm correct. I may be wrong. I mean, the thing is, there's a little bit of buy-side liquidity, obviously, but there's a lot more sell-side, so... On shall see. We shall see. Yes, I spoke some Afrikaans. Nobody judge me. I am disgustingly bad at speaking Afrikaans. Orange. That's Orange Teletubby, Andrew, and we see all-time highs. And Dom says we go up. Cool. Rob saying, Yoni, why? Why would you do that to me? I hate this market. Andrew, which part? Which part do you hate in particular? See how this reacts. Watermelon and sugar. And noise. Third time. So you are solidly Afrikaans. I assume so from the videos I watched, but you know, don't assume. Don't assume. I am solidly English, but you know. Dom's in along, if only I had trading knowledge. Yeah, but that's illegal. I hate the part where you don't backflip. Why is everyone obsessed with me doing a backflip? Maybe one day that'll be my goal in life, to learn how to do a backflip just to make you guys happy. How about that? I'm pretty sure this is how I die, trying to do that, but yeah. Who cares? YOLO! Do you know how many people actually like hop on and like do a backflip? I'm like, no. Hello. We've got, look at this. Look at this. We have a very beautiful, handsome man over here who's going to bring us all the good luck, good boy. You don't strike me as a... What do you mean? What do you mean a flipper? Like doing a backflip? Gold and silver looking good. Might trade those instead. Hey RJ, am I winning? Well, we're not in anything yet. I'm not trading pre-market. Yeah, he's here for the good lucks. Wait. I actually forgot. Gotta like both streams. Then you get W's. Spam it. Then you have bam. Okay, we're good. Let's see if it works. Oh, good grief. Okay, break things. It's fine. It's fine. It's not like you're living here for free. Carry on. $9.28. Let's see if this would have worked. I am genuinely curious. 2 minutes to go until New York Open. I would have been in this short here, and I would have been tagged into this short here. Ironically, this shorty short's looking pretty good right now. Again, I do not trade pre-market, so meh. Hello, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? How was everyone's Easter, by the way? Mine was so busy that it didn't even feel like I got to relax, which is not a great thing, but it is what it is. Hey, this would have been a winner chicken freaking dinner. Interesting. Maybe I need to just take a little sneaky trade before open. 45 minutes of vigorous cycling. I'm back to cancel them along. London low looking juicy for both NQ and gold. Ooh, there we go. That's fine. I mean, you didn't do much, but at least... Oh, there we go. Andrew down today, apparently. Well, let's see. We have 20 seconds to go until New York Open. $10 seconds. Let's see if this just goes right down. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
damn, called that wrong. Okay. Holy guacamole. This would have been a loss. Why we don't do pre-market. Good grief. Okie dokie then. What the heck lady is that? Don't trade pre-market. I mean, this one would have been a win, but bit of rejection off of there. If we bearish open, must be bullish. I don't know if I'm trading today. Can you stop us? Bearish open must be bullish. Whoop whoop. Dum dum. Nice. Crypto down under. Told you. Told me what? Exactly, and that's why we do not trade pre-market. Facts, spare time. Just pure facts. Good grief. Okay. Here you go. This is the... That's nice. This is the 930 range. I don't know why I was being sarcastic to my PC right now. You're a very good PC. Good, good. I wanted to keep it a pet, but anyways. Crypto down under says now shorter. Wait, I have to do a whoop whoop for Dom. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Was this literally just a bit of a... I just want to say a shakedown. That sounds weird, but not entirely wrong. But retest this level. Oh. Damn, I was keen on shorts. It's an impressive doji on ES right now. Okay. See what type of reaction we get. Here's the open. Ooh. Shoot, that's a solid rejection off of there. Dagnabbit. How's that look on the 5-minute? Bit of a retracement back up. Sugar honey iced tea. I mean, that wasn't engulfing. Good rejection. So I'm watching this like a hawk now. Always testing these bob to bob. I feel like taking a bob to bob in the first 5 minutes is probably ideal, but also low-key terrifying, especially if it's kind of going against my bias. My little shorty short bias that I've got. Still long, next pullback and go long. I'm having a spike. Oh, a spike higher. I know, OTT. Oh, damn, I forgot that PMI is happening. Thank you for the reminder, Debbie. Appreciate you. Love you madly. Thanks for the reminder. I forgot about PMI. I'm just checking the 5-minute at the moment. I mean, that's an impressive 5-minute candle that we have going on there. Still have not created a first presented. Oh my goodness. That's trading. Crypto down under, you are correct. 100%. That's trading for you. Hey! Stick with your bias. I didn't like it, and for good reason. Check, that would have been a loss. Okay, I'm gonna leave this up. Obviously, I didn't take it. Okay, does show sometimes you do have to stick with what... I don't want to say with what you feel, because I'm gonna get lots of rubbish for that. Here we go. A retest back into here would actually be beautiful. Maybe not that high up, but okie dokie. No, mother fluffer! Can we- Ah! Come back! Oh my gosh! Well, that just ran away. Screaming. Literally, that just ran away screaming. Here's kind of the first presented. This whole thing actually feels like a first presented right now, but I'll mark that as the first presented on the 1 minute. Like I said, this whole thing just looks like a first presented at the moment. Wow. That being said, this would be quite a decent trade. But I have a feeling it's just going to keep going down. It did tap into VWAP on ES. There's no chance my limit for shorts getting tagged. Yeah, OTT, me and you both. Those are two beautiful 5-minute candles. Range found for the 1 minute, yeah. Shoot, I think this is more than I would be happy to flipping risk. Oh, what a beautiful... Sorry, to bite my tongue there, I was about to say, what a beautiful trade on ES for a short. But... see this rejection off of VWAP, but I still like that shorty short on ES over there. Yeah, let's check what the 5 minute looked like again. Bluxum. Okay. Cool. Interesting. Okay, so we tagged into the 50% on ES, actually. Look at entry again in 20 minutes. How much would this be? This range feels mahusive. Okay. Bruh, I should have traded ES. expected the heck. Oh. What a shame. What a pity. See if it keeps going down or not. Rinse and repeat. Nice, crypto. Hey Rohit, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? I'm trying really hard to not be stuck on my bias. I'm trying really hard, but problem is the ideal entry would be there to go on about. It's not the best. It's not the best trade out there. Okay. Still respecting. I want to see if it goes into the volume imbalance on ES and we get a rejection off of there. How's that, Solly? Like I said, on ES we have this fair value gap, this volume imbalance, and this freaking order block. Lava Turtle, what up? How you doing? How you doing? Hope that helped. Did you see one? I don't know if you were able to see enough. What the heck, man? But you want to see a rejection? Oh my goodness. Reject! Mother fluffer? You teach us on YouTube, maybe your course. Oh, oh, no, wrong place, sorry. I'm definitely not a teacher. It keeps retesting. It's first presented. Scammed it again. Wait for Trump. Lie on truth. Hey Cameron, good grief, that hurt my brain to read. That was... bro. How can you become like me? Lots and lots of time and patience. And learning. And lessons. Everyone knows what lessons are. Sure, it's still struggling to break above. Why does this feel like some seek and destroy BS happening right now? I've lost confidence in this trade. This might be it now. Hey, High Life, what's up? I learned most of YouTube in real life experience. I hear that. Volatility coming. What? NGE? Sid, what's up? I'm gonna call you Sid. I hope that's fine. OTT? Are we sad right now? I mean, that was a beautiful trade on ES. It just didn't work out at all. Bummer. If it breaks through, it's gonna be crazy. Aw, Tyler, you're such a sweetie pie. Was a potential Bob's Bob, I was thinking, like I said, lost all confidence in that one. Here we go, it came to retest. So much for my bias. Oh well. So much for that. This really feels like some seek and destroy rubbish right now. This is seek and destroy rubbish. No, why are we doing this? This feels unnecessary right now. Stop loss hit. Oh, OTT, I'm sorry, must I do the stop loss sound? Sorry, OTT. To be fair, it looked like a really good trade. This is just very much giving me seek and destroy vibes. Which is sad. And sad backwards is das, and das not good. London High? I definitely wouldn't have taken this. Sure, it's completely filtering on both ends right now. Wow. Wow. Solly, you weren't expecting that, were you? Let's see if this is going to retrace into the first presented. And then go back up. Decent wicks to the bottom, which means the buyers, not the sellers, the buyers are wanting to come play. Andrew, you're still short? Are you in drawdown or not? You still in the green? Sorry. I know I went real quiet there for a second. I guess I'm just observing the chaos right now. Are we back? No, we haven't quite reached this resistance zone just yet. Oh no, I'm not green. I'm sorry. It's okay, it's all part of the learning, right? All part of learning. So to be fair with this one, if I was quick enough, this actually would have been entry with that engulfing, but stop loss would have been down here. 2 points. That looks like a better trade. Man, I was excited for today, but now it looks like it's Pupukaka price action. Just doing seek and destroy absolute BS. Can I trading fun fact if you guys want to hear? I'm all ears. What's up, chill dude? What am I trading? I'm trading a Nasdaq futures. How you doing? First day of April, I got cooked. April Fool! I was just checking. Phone's making all the noise. Well, alrighty then. You just have to be real quick with setting this up. Is it a new account? No, it's Feed Viral Moments. What's up? It's still my funded. I don't know how, but it is still alive. Whoop, there we go. Okay. So I guess screw my bias. Got it. It had no reason for long. Everything except short was A+, not close to news. There we go, OTT, so it's fine. Oh, shoot. Speaking of, there's 9 minutes until news. Dagnabbit. That was a real solid rejection off of there. How's this look on the 5-minute right now? Okay, London highs taken. Shoot, oh well. Sales are going. This is all a big candle fake out. Virgil, you think so? So everyone thinks shorts are gonna start coming into play soon. Ooh, maybe it's gonna take out Asia high and then we're gonna get a reversal. I just wanted to get that Asia high, potentially. Could also be edging people if everyone had their TP at Asia high. That's not bad. Oh, shoot. To find a way to try and get in on these quicker. Just for really pricing it. Trading Expo, what's up? Kenrick, how are you doing? Trading Expo, I'm good and you. Yeah, because I'm Bitcoin, I was made 3-time fair card and you must be drive it down. Oh, that makes sense. Do you think this is waiting for news? I mean, it's in a few minutes. I wouldn't be surprised. Farquad, the Muffin Man snitch. That is hilarious. Shift. Do you honestly think retail trading is a variable way out for average South African? What was the barrier? Farquad, it's not easy. I think that is what we have to acknowledge. It's not easy, and obviously you need the capital to start. But if you're willing to put capital in and treat it almost like university, like give yourself almost 4 years, then sure. But if you can't do that, different story, obviously. The highest win rate strategy with positive RR is vertical spread, which is buying and selling at the same time. Of course, where explosion news are located. Chill dude, isn't that like, I don't want to say cheating, but cheating? Does that make sense? It feels like cheating. Oh, trading expert, good. Oh, which pair? Not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How long have I been trading? Nearly a year. Nearly a year. Next week, Tuesday, would be a year exactly. Rather than strategy, how do you tell the difference in your own community? So you talk a lot about discipline. How much of the South African trader mindset is actually driven by desperation rather than strategy? Well, I think if you're trading out of desperation, you shouldn't be trading. If you're trading under pressure, you're not going to do well. So that's that. Like if you're hoping to quit your job and all of a sudden start trading, then you add pressure, and then it's like you said, desperation. And I think that's where the 95% of the people that fail come in, because they're hoping it's a get rich quick scheme, and when it's not, and you realize you actually have to put a lot of time, effort, and money, almost like you're starting up a new business. So you can't expect to start seeing profits right away. You have to put into it before you start getting back, and that's where it becomes tricky. What broker is that? I'm currently with Top One Futures. Yeah. There's still a gap at 25600. Port sell. Oh, where's Hammer when you say full ports? Damn. This feels like it's edging people. 3 minutes to go until PMI. Okay. 3 minutes to go. I'm hands off. I'm not gonna trade before the news. I mean, you guys can. If you know something I don't, have fun. No, not gold. This is Nasdaq futures. The Age of Aquarius innovation. What the heck is Age of Aquarius? I feel like I'm too old for that, Farquaad. You have to vote yourself out of the country, or do you truly believe? You know what? I love South Africa. I know a lot of people are really negative about it, but I truly love South Africa. We have everything here. You want the beach? We got the beach. You want animals? We got the animals. You want built up city? We got it. You want desert? We got it. You want mountains? We got, you know, literally whatever you want, South Africa has. If I ever had to make the choice to move, it would have to be almost me being forced out. Sweet and simply. Like, I have no other choice type of idea. Pablo, low crime? No, it's like anywhere. Don't go to the areas that are really well known for crime and you're fine. Okay, 1 minute to go. Well, technically 35 seconds. 35 seconds to go before PMI. Let's see what it brings. Tanya, I'm good. How are you? Damn, Farquaad's coming with all the toughy questions. Farquaad, are you South African, out of curiosity? PMI won't do much. Don't be such a negative, Nancy. You don't know that. Let's see. We have 8 seconds to go. I'm even gonna do the magic words. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Well, I mean, it did stuff. Asia high and back down. Okay, never mind. my bad, my bad. Well, Asia High is gone. 20 feet. Oh, nice. 27 years. Like, are you 27 years old, or have you just been living in Joburg for 27 years? Okay, Farquad, let me, shall I turn the tables a little bit? What do you think about all of it? Hey Samir, what's up? How you doing? Dom still says short, a shorty short short. Shorty short short from here. Sure. Oh, sugar honey iced tea, I clicked the wrong thing. I don't like it. Where's my... Let's check the 5 minute. I don't... I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of it. I mean, it might work out beautifully, don't get me wrong. Loki looks like it's about to go back down, but I'm not the biggest fan of it, so... Fine. I'm not gonna take it. Like I said, if there's one that I'm super comfy with, I will take it, but unfortunately... Tis not. Farquad, math man. Oh, you're 27. Okay, so samesies. Okay, and you've always lived in Joburg. Okay, Farquad, like I said, shall we turn the tables? Would you ever move? You still excited for New York session? No. I was so excited. I was like, we're gonna see some amazing stuff today. Maybe I jinxed it. Maybe I need to shut up. From India, I'm facing some difficulties in placing trades in certain areas. Interesting. I've heard that there's some like restrictions and things. Sorry about that. I know that's probably not easy. And Trading Expo says bye. And Dom says short. Dun 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 dun. Oh, good grief. I'm so sorry. It's been a long week. It's Monday. I nearly said it's been a long week. Bruh, it's Monday. It's Monday, people. I think it's because I'm very nervous about next week Monday, and I feel like I have way too many things to get sorted before then. Okay. Looks like it actually would have worked out. Yeah. Let's not speak too soon. I'd literally done that 1-to-1 R trade. Entry, messed around, into first presented. This is what I wasn't so keen on. Entry went back into first presented and... Ah! I take it back. Actually would have been a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Got Asia High, maybe the shorts are indeed now in play. Let's see what we get off of this. Oh, make profit, that's amazing. That's amazing. But still not terrible, right? Not terrible. Asia High, maybe back down to Asia Low now. Just give me something good, please. But do it slow enough that I can get in. Like, stop that. Yes, I did low-key just growl. It's because of the damn VWAP and it being right by the 930 range. To be honest, I just thought it was OTT, whoop whoop. OTT, whoop whoop. Did you take another trade? That's a good rejection. Retest this one more time. This could be good. This could be good. This could be good. This could be good. Okay, now don't be greedy. Make it just above here. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Shoot. Going further and further down. Okay. It's not break there. The 15-minute I can almost guarantee is bearish now. Oh, it tapped into VWAP on ES. That's what happened. It was so quick, had to mark it in. Need to cook options more before any good move. So OTT, you actually took a trade now? Nice. In that case, whoop whoop, was it a... How do I put this? It wasn't a revenge trade, right? It was a solid trade, good trade. That's for OTT. And anyone else that had green, just by the way. Hey, Lana, what the hell are you doing? I'm gonna watch this. It's oh Wi-Fi, oh dear. Pretty good so far, just chilling. Making some light trades. Nice, Atlanta. I'm glad. Any whoop whoops? Ooh, I'm pulling a face because this has just been absolutely shocking. Shocking. This keeps rejecting down. This could be the entry. Don't even mind if it spikes up a little bit further. Rejection of a VWAP on ES. If it comes back down and breaks below, it's going now. Bob, can I show it? Tanu, absolutely not, but you can pop me a message on Discord. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. An X-ray messages from... No! No, Atlanta, what on earth? My realistic truth, you had to choose between 100% win rate for a month or stage 0. No, just wait forever! Why would you choose the electricity? That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Damn, South Africa humor right there. Retest and rejection? Oh, we're gonna get a retest and rejection here? Why is that looking funny? No, apparently not. Okay. Not there. It's respecting the heck out of this VWAP on ES. I get a trade, boom, stop loss, then re-enter TP, like damn. Dom says short is still active. The first presented, I think it's retracing this 50%. Let's have a looky. Farquaad, I think we're gonna have to. If it does that, we are so screwed. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? What's it looking at right now? I haven't even checked. What is the rand to dollar looking like right now? Okay, so struggling. Get out of my head. Sorry, I'm talking about the bias. That's the only problem. I started with this bias and now it's low-key stuck in my head. It's not ideal. Retest and back down. A little bit of a volume imbalance here. What's 16.8 to a dollar? Okay, it's amazing. So if anyone's earning in dollars right now, y'all are super happy. Earning in dollars living in South Africa? You balling. Damn. Nope. Okay. It's just respecting the heck out of that VWAP. Man. I was actually really keen on taking a trade today. Nothing's A+, nothing's jumping out at me. I mean, okay, let's see what it does at the 50% retrace of this dip. Get it to 20, I want my payout to be juicy!
Nice.
Hey, ready to kill this? Did you take the internal sweep at 6:30 inside a 30-minute fair value gap? I did not. Yeah, now we've tapped. Wow, this first presented has just not been respected at all. I might as well just get rid of it. They don't give a damn about this first presented fair value gap today. Yes, ready to kill this. This is Nasdaq. Micros, like I said, micros to be specific. Cameron, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not ideal at seeing head and shoulder formations, so. Who looks for head and shoulder formations? Is this a head and shoulder formation? English. Shoot, I'm running out of time to do a bob trade. Left into the wick. We'd want to see it start dropping soon. Open was left shoulder, PMI was ahead, just formed right shoulder. Okay, and then do you expect to see a drop from there? Is that what you want to see? So it creates like that and then it goes beep. Is that the plan? Thank you, ridiculed this. That's why I was like, me. I'm not great at seeing them. That's why I ask. It's the same with the W and the M formations. I'm assuming they're similar. I'm really bad at seeing them. I'm not even going to sugarcoat them. Sugarcoat it, not them. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's not my speciality at all. Hey, Umka, what's up? If we break first percentage, we go down. Entry is break a low day. Entry was on the short. That's like 3. My entry would be here. The problem is it's right by VWAP. But ES seems to be driving the show today, so if ES drops down, we're good to go. If being the keyword there. Saw the NAS 100 data only on days the index closes in the green. Lost 5 kilograms this week, and my doctor says it's unsustainable. But I told him it's just a healthy retracement. Farquad, that is amazing. That's amazing. I love it. I do. As a clerk. I want to call you clerk, but I know that's alright. I'm assuming it's clerk. It's staying at 48 because I'm being redonkulously, yes, I'm saying redonkulous. I'm being redonkulously selective on trades and very low risk. Like, I am mitigating risk oh so much. So when I do make profits, it's not massive just until I give myself enough of a cushion. I mean, having like $100 is not a cushion. You can treat it as a bull play if the right shoulder gets invalidated. Would send us back up. Okay. So if it now breaks above, it's invalidated, correct? Sweet Cuisine, what's up? How you doing? Ah, cool. Oh my goodness gracious, Harry, and then scaring the hey diddly day out of me. Okie dokie. Looks like the bulls are back in play. So much for my bias. Don't get stuck on a bias, Maya. What is wrong with you? Gotta practice what you preach. Do you know how often I've said try not to get stuck on a bias? Guess who got stuck on a bias? Okay. My smartwatch keeps asking if I have a medical emergency every time. Yeah, what happens? I had to explain to the paramedics that it's not a heart attack. It's just the 330 candle on NAS. That is so bad. Hello, handsome. That is so valid. I don't have a smartwatch because I think I may become obsessed with it if I had to get one. Like, I would be very fixated on how many steps I took a day, and I know, I am very well aware that that is something I would do. Sugar honey iced tea. Yeah. Sugar honey iced tea, bean. Nothing good for me to take here. My words are I got married to my bias. Yep. Thomas says it's gonna drop. There's a daily fair value up being tapped into be used to support. Oh, thank you, Ridicule. Yeah, I solidly got married to my bias today. I was like, nah, this thing's going down. Took out Asia High and I was like, cool, now we're going for Asia Low. Apparently not. Oh well. So if anyone now asks if I'm married, I'm gonna say yeah, apparently I'm married to my bias today. Hey Louis, no. No trades taken. Should have potentially taken this. It's fine. At least the retest on that one. To London High, this dropped too quickly. That being said, I did look at a setup there. This I was keen on, apart from the fact that literally VWAP is right there. Now it's invalidated. Chop sesh. I nearly said shesh. Chop sesh. Yucky. Pity. Shorts would be good right now again. OTT, stop tempting me. All 270 breaks. Yeah. Not sure about a long getting too late in the morning. Bob, where is Bob? Bob, are you actually watching or you just... I don't know. Trading Expo, how's the weather here? Actually pleasant today. Not too hot, not too cold. A little bit windy, but it was actually a really, really pleasant day. The sideways trap, despite some recovery attempt, the index remains largely stuck in broad sideways range between 24 and 2600. Sounds about right. I'm sad. I was really, really keen on taking a trade today for two reasons. Number one, to see if my prop firm has got their sugar honey iced tea together. Seriously. And secondly, get some green. Get some green going. It's only Monday. I just have to remind myself that it is only Monday. It's fine. There's a lot of wickless action going on right now. And the chart. So yes, he's. Where are you? Where are you, Bob? I'm always nervous to open. Whoopsies. To open things. So this is Bob. So yeah, London low. Got that, and midnight. Midnight's there as well. There's the sell side, buy side liquidity taken, and buy side liquidity. I'm pretty sure I have that marked out by 24500. Yeah, this chart on the 15 does not look nice at all. I can't believe I was just called a bozo. Rude. Hurrah! Would have been straight to stop loss. Again, that would have been cheeky, but still. Being married to a bias, that's why I have two scenarios for the upside and downside. Though sometimes I'll still get married, especially in used candles. Yeah, ridicule, that's the problem. I actually have like a little ring, maybe on days where I'm married to my bias, I must just put the ring on. Anyone says, are you married? I'll be like, yes, to my bias. No, I'd say Louis. I'm keen, I'm keen. Oh, I do not have. What buy side? What buy side you got, Bob? I'm gonna have to... I feel like it's very far away. I'll have to go and double check what buy side is there. But today shorts was to play, longs not really. Thank you, Ridicule. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okie dokie, I see. You've marked that out. And these two just go to the most recent buy side on the 15-minute. Let's see, you don't mark these out, you just mark out like the top. So I'm genuinely asking out of curiosity. Do you just go before open and just mark out? Because why not mark out... That's where my next buy side liquidity is marked. Okay, so Bob is definitely listening. Where you at, Bob? Atlanta, that sounds really depressing. Well, have a... Aw, cheers, ridicule this. When's the next time I'm back testing? I'm not gonna lie, this week's gonna be chaotic, guys. After next week, Tuesday, I'm gonna be a little bit more free as a bird. So I'm gonna have a lot more time to do a lot more stuff after next week, Tuesday. Hey, Sebastian, what's up? This week, like I said, is going to be absolute insanity. Oh, sorry. Okay. I see Chop City it is. Okay, time of day, can't take any more Bob to Bob levels. Oh, no, sorry, not Atlanta, not my insecurities, for my bias. Married to my bias. You know, today I was very much married to my bias. I was like, nah, it's going short, it's going short, it's going short, and, well, it did not. I mean, it did there very quickly, but it's after it tapped into Asia High. After next week, Tuesday, I'm gonna be... What? Like, are you staying with the bias? That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Okay, seeming as we've come to a little bit of a standstill, do you know what time it is? Dun, dun, dun. It is butterfly of the day. The one this morning was pretty cute, if I do say so myself. Let's head for something like here. Ooh, these are new. I like this. This is cool. This is cool. Okay. This is butterfly of the day. It's pretty. Oh, for crying out loud, that was so dumb of me. I have to find it again. I closed the book. I found it. Oh, okay. I didn't see that coming, but I actually managed to find it. This is a really pretty one. Look at this one. Damn. You do be beautiful. Okay, so twin dotted border is butterfly of the day. Wingspan of 48 to 56 millimeters. Not bad, not bad. So not huge, but not teeny tiny either. Attractive species, no ways. Tri-season, orange trailer covering. Okay, distribution: wooded savanna, coastal lowland, and riverine forest from George, so the Western Cape, King Williamstown, Eastern Cape, to Swaziland, KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo Province, Mpumalanga, Northwest Province, good grief, and in Gauteng, Galisberg to Witwatersrand, Krugersdorp. So it's like everywhere. Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, coast, hillsides, gullies. So flight period is year-round, peaks October and late April. So around now. Cool. Awesome. So twin dotted border, its Latin name, Milothrus riopelli hamius. I butchered that one solidly. But anyways, this is butterfly of the day. It's very cool. I like it. I like it. Okay, back to the charts. Did we get anything? Nope, not really. We're still going sideways. Oh, sad. Sad, 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 sad. Atlanta, well, good morning, gummy time. Atlanta, do I want to know? I feel like I don't want to know. I just hope the marriage is mutually beneficial. Not always. Not gonna lie, like today. I was really set on my shorty shorts. Are you good? Are you okay? I think my dog's having a bad dream. You're okay. Okay, so still going a little bit sideways. You know when you have a song stuck in your head and it's very irritating? That's where I'm at right now. Fun fact too about the double dot. I'm all ears, Louis. What's up? It's caterpillars feed almost exclusively on mistletoe. What? I'm gonna grow some just before Christmas. They have treetops, and the poison they get from mistletoe makes them taste horrible to predators. Do we even get mistletoe in South Africa? I'm sure we do. I just don't even know what mistletoe actually looks like out in the wild. That's cool. You guys need to come in together. Then we need you on the same page at all times. Atlanta, you talking about me and my husband, the bias?
That's what she said.
Oh well. It's now going sideways. Let's see if we get a little bit of a break out of this. You know, being able to sing I want to break free. It looks pretty. Oh, good grief, Louis. That was terrible. That was absolutely diabolical. Oh, man. I'm just still... I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed in this price action today. I expected... London and Asia had better price action than New York today. Which is wild. Nanta, I love it, I love it. Well, maybe you know, he needs to get on the same page as me, right? If I say it's a short bias, the market maker should be like, okay, you know what? She said short. We're going short. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh, can you imagine if anyone heard that and they're like, okay, let's prove a point now. Make sure no more winning trades ever for this one. I would cry. I would actually cry. I'd be like, no, don't do that. Yeah, okay, this first presented is getting demolished today. Still got a little bit of time. This could still break out and we could still get something good. How did you got that bad now? Makes me think new gang members were they? Wait, it's up. No, it's not a bandana, it's just a headband. It helps me, number one, keep my glasses on, because my glasses may or may not be a tad bit too big for my face, and it helps this stay in. Then I can hear any memes. Well, I don't know anything about like gangs and things in South Africa. So I don't know. I don't think so. I am a cute little innocent human being. I try and stay away from all the negativity and drama. That's like my thing. I don't want to know about it. I'm very happy being in my little happy bubble. I'm a very I kind of refuse to give out relationship advice for another guy, even if it's a mythical guy. Orlando, that's brilliant. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. This is just for you.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, you know what? I think I know why I'm yawning so much. I may or may not have been forgetting to take my iron tablets. So my energy has been a little bit lower. Here we go. What's happened? Alrighty then. Let's just go and take out a bunch of stop losses. A little bit, hey. Ooh, what the heck, man? That's a freaking banger, Bob. That's Bob's trade right there. Seriously, this first presented may as well not be here at this point. It's a good rejection. I want to see how it reacts at VWAP. If it just breaks below, this shorty short is a good way to go. I'm being low-key a little bit greedy by going all the way down to midnight. But let's see. Not a scaling network in South Africa as well. Number gangs, the number of the 26, 27, and 28. FP entry and TP in VWAP. Let's see, that was quite a solid rejection there. I feel like the face I'm pulling right now speaks volumes. We've just created an inverse fair value gap. This might actually want to start going up. Or just... Bob, let me check out... No, I'll check out your trade just now. This way CISD built different. OTT? Is that what... So, have you been enjoying it? How's it? What's up, Orangu? How are you doing? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Found it. I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh, this works. So I cancelled it. I'm a laugh. The buyers are actually just not letting them win today. I think this is going back up. This might potentially be going back up. Hey Dom, you still keen on the shorts? I said if it does break here and breaks VWAP, I'd be keen on shorts. It's just jumping around like, they said like a headless chicken. That's not right. That's running around. Jumping around like a kangaroo? That would work. ES is struggling to break below. And sorry, I'm crossing my arms for one reason and one reason only. I'm starting to get FOMO, which is a problem. Can't let the fear of missing out dictate which trades you take. But solidly, I have FOMO right now. I really want to get in on a trade, but to be fair, I should have taken this one. In the same breath of saying that though, it's a little bit, you know, married to my bias. There's too much sell-side liquidity happening. Okay. Go have fun FOMO time. Literally, that's what it low-key feels like. I'm like, oh, okay. Check how this looks on the 5-minute. No, no, no. Okay, we've lost the volume we want to see. Don't yell at me. this breaks. See if this jumps back up, if it's just going to be coiling here. If this is it, it's just going to coil until it pushes up above or down below. I mean, you could have a very juicy trade. OTT, no. No, it's not. I have no ideas. What's up, Orangi? What happened? Looks like compression. Yeah, Dirk, I agree. Tomorrow's new day. True. Check your chart on the 6 minute or 12 minute. 6 or 12? I have never been told to check the 6 or 12 minute. Good grief. 6575 is my prediction. What? You think it's gonna go that far down? 3D printing, dude? That's interesting. I want to see how it reacts at VWAP. I want to leave me alone. Sorry, there's a bug that's bugging me. Let's check on the 1 minute. Want to see how this closes. Please leave me alone. I'm focused and you're ruining the focus. Damn, Bob, that's then a whoop whoop to you. Well, it's a risk-free trade. Leave me! Lost my 8. Yo, moon. Sorry. I'm fighting with a bug. BTW Trump speaking at 1 PM. Oh no. Oh no. I wanted to see how it projected off of VWAP on ES. That's why we've been... Was that English? No, sorry, that was Afrikaans. What's up? Hey, Red, what's up? Was that English? I'm trying. Man, again, this is a little bit bigger than I would have liked it to be, but sugar honey iced tea. There's the tap. Sorry, it's been respecting the actual heck out of VWAP on ES. That's what I've been a little bit... I want to say fixated, but let's not say fixated on. Cautious of, aware of today. Let's see, this would be the third bounce off of VWAP. Or not. No, a little bit. Third bounce off of VWAP. Want to see there's some volume imbalances up above. Jody, how you doing? I'm gonna hesitate this much, it's a bad idea. Whoop, there's that push I was talking about. Ew, if it retests and goes back down. Is this FOMO taking over? Probably. Dumb, no, I'm not in. 24680 to 24700. Virgil, that's what you're looking for. So you're looking for it to go up. That's promising. Again, that being said, this is not A+ again. Well, I have 1, 2. This is a B setup. Okay, let's see. That was the 3rd rejection of a VWAP on ES. Just by the by, if anyone's using VWAP as a magnet on ES today, you are good to go. Go away. That would have been entry for this and nearly stop loss for this. Please stop. Please, I'm asking so nicely. This bug is bugging me. On the 5-minute. I mean, it was a solid engulfing on the 5-minute. Retest, you want to see it go back down. Ooh, it might just take out the tippy top over there. Bug is bug. It's really irritating me. Like, it's flying right by my face. If I accidentally smack myself, it's because I'm trying to get the bug. Oh, damn. Looks like it respected 0.5 quite nicely. Back to VWAP and... Okay, looks like a potential no trade day for me today. Little pity party for me, but it's fine. That's why the bug's bugging me. There were 2 bearish SMTs before this drop. This drop here. Oh, there's a massive one over here. Good rejection, good rejection. I may buy short. What does buy short mean? Like buy the dip? You see how NQ made a lower high and then started dropping? Well, ESMIM made higher highs. Like this one just here? We've made a higher high here. We go above the wick. Or are we not counting the wick? Oh, you're not counting the wick, hey? Correct? I was a little bit fixated on the wick. It actually respected the 50% of the wick on ES. I'm good, Geordie. I'm good. I'll have more time, and I should also be a little bit more focused after the 14th, which sounds kind of weird, but yeah. Let's push down this candle. I didn't even clock the bodies of the candle. I was so focused on that wick. Thanks for pointing that out, Thomas. I appreciate it. Thomas, how's your trading been, by the way? So that bob spot would have been a loss. Married to my bias. Dun, 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 dun. Lol. Okay, that would have worked. Yes, I just said lol. I'm literally cringing. That gave me an instant headache. Oh, that's what karma is. Don't say lol out loud. That's weird. Oh, on the 13th, so I will not be trading the 13th and 14th because I'm moving my horses back up to Joburg. So yeah, I'm gonna go with them on the 13th, and then I'm only flying back to KZN on the 14th, so I won't be able to trade those 2 days. But it does mean in the middle of the day, obviously I won't go to the horses because they'll be in Joburg. So I will have a plethora of time on my hands. And I gotta keep myself busy. It's been going pretty good. Nice! Thomas, I was always, I wouldn't say jealous. Envious, not jealous. I was always envious of how you trade. When I'm big, I'll be as cool as Thomas. Hey Falani, what's up? April low coming, don't you think? Question. That being said, I was stuck on this bias. Sorry. I'm giggling because of the fact that we have kind of actually just been stuck in the 5-minute range this whole time. I'll do one better. We've basically been stuck in the 15-minute range this whole time. Anyways. Yeah, Jordy. But I will only move in July. But the horses had to go up earlier. It's just, unfortunately, the horsey scene down here is not great. So I thought they can go up earlier. It takes a little bit of stress off of me later on. But yeah, it's happening. How exciting. Slash terror. Okay, it's basically 11. Let's see what the new hourly candle brings. It has been rejecting off of VWAP. Sure, if anyone's trading VWAP today on ES, like literally just buying when it tapped into it, would have done really, really well.